All right, we're going to be looking at the Cherokee 306MM. This is going to come in with a dry weight of 8,578 pounds. GVWR on this unit's 11,100 pounds. Cargo capacity on this is going to give you 2,522. Hitch weight comes in at 900 pounds. Your exterior height on this is 11 feet 1 inch. Your exterior length is 40 feet 1 inch from hitch to bumper. Exterior width going to be 8 feet. Your fresh water at 40 gallons, black water at 38 gallons, gray water also at 38 gallons. Your awning size on this was going to be 15 feet.
Standing outside the Cherokee Limited with Jevon. First question is, what kind of name is Jevon?
The one Mom found in a name book.
Nice. That's awesome. I've never heard of Jevon before. I dig it. That's cool. All right, so let's talk about this. These Cherokees are just sharp RVs.
They are, and I love the awnings with these LED strip lights. Really light up your campground.
Right.
Of course, the Cherokee's going to have their juice package, which comes solar ready. It's a great unit to even get a little off-grid with if you wanted to.
And I hear that if you choose to get the solar panel, it's really not super expensive.
No, they really make it affordable for you there. And a lot of people are really getting into the, again, off-grid or boondocking to be able to use that. So
awesome.
Love the Cherokee here with their outside kitchen. Get a couple of burners. Nice little fridge there for your adult or kid beverages, whatever you want to keep. And even gives you an ice maker.
An ice maker, that's awesome. And there's I guess there's your shower, your sink, or whatever you need. It's right there. So
yep.
You got everything you need right here. And such a small space, there's so much,
Yeah, and it gives you plenty of space to put a table out and still entertain, not taking up that much, but still
and
do some
it's still underneath the awning.
It is. You're cooking outside even in the rain.
Yeah,
so.
Perfect. Love the wheels. The wheels are amazing. They're just sharp because Cherokee just looks sharp.
It does, and with the black rims there, really kind of gives it the modern look that a lot of people are looking for.
We also point out all the time these doors, these black glass doors. You got 2 of them on this one, obviously, and then even added on top of that the full length window. This is cool. I like the outside of this. You know how many slides are on this one? One here, obviously.
One, and I think there's one on the other side.
I'll run around, I'll tell you. And of course, on the Cherokees, you get the 2 over here.
2.
Yeah, you get the extra storage with the rack on back. Those things are awesome. We've got one on the back of my RV, not my RV, my SUV. It's just so much nicer just to have that extra space to just carry everything you need.
Absolutely. And I like this unit. You've got the 2 entrances. The first entrance goes right into the bedroom there, so Mom and Dad have a private in and out while the kids have the other end of the camper and having fun. With just these great looking doors here.
Awesome. All right, should we get in and check it out?
We should. I think everybody wants to see the nuts and bolts.
I can tell already that I dig it because you got this right here. I dig the like the bar here to sit and watch TV.
Yeah.
It's cool.
And gives you plenty of seating. You've got the double couch here, a couple of nice little loungers here to watch. Really be able to relax. So
the opposing slides make this huge in here.
It does. It really does. Gives you a nice little electric heater there. Especially if it's just a little chilly out, just enough to cut that chill off and don't have to fire up the furnace.
And now this is you buy a TV to set here, right?
Yep.
Okay. I didn't know if it had one that came out, but yeah, it's definitely awesome. Yeah, this is a lot of space. Love the accent lighting above these.
Yep, nice little mood setting. Of course, you do have your USBs on both sides here of the couches. Be able to plug in your devices as you watch, talk, have a good time in here.
And the 2 recliners. You move them around. Yeah.
Yep.
Perfect. And again, I totally dig this.
Yeah.
I mean, this is probably where I would have dinner all the time. As much as I like TV, just watch TV right here.
Great place to have your morning coffee, watch the news or whatever.
Yep.
Again, USBs, plug-ins there, so.
Perfect. Good sized kitchen too.
Great kitchen here. One thing a lot of people seem to be calling in here lately is they want that farm kit sink.
Yeah.
And Cherokee gives that to you. Nice little well sink there. Gives you your residential sprayer to spray your dishes off with. So really makes the conveniences of home with you wherever you go to camping.
Yep. And then we saw this in another one. I love this cutting board that's magnetized and stuck there with the feet, so you can set it somewhere. It's lifted off, and it's just those little details. Yep. Man, no wonder Cherokee is such a good seller.
And even with your stove here, your cover is going to become your backsplash. So as you cook, you're not getting it all over the walls and everything. So great lighting for the knobs there. Really, again, with the accent lighting, really makes things go quite well.
Yeah.
Great size fridge here. Freezer. Definitely be able to pack a nice long weekend of food and refreshments for your family.
Absolutely. Microwave, stove, and then a big pantry. Look at that. Wow, get in there. Hey, get all the way in there. I'm going to shut you in. I'll let you out. Why aren't you moving? I'm too big. Trust me. Nice little, again, this would break down into a bed, I'm assuming.
Yep. Your bed will go down. Cushions will come out. Nice, small child, medium size. You'd be able to sleep on that real comfortably.
That's cool. All right, let's head back here and see, stop in the bathroom here. Check it out. Wow, it's a good sized shower. I knew this, Jevon. You'll see more that you walk through with me. I get into the showers just so folks know I'm 6 foot, and it's close. It's close. So you got the skylight here to give you a little more space. Plenty of room for me now that I stand back here. But if you are a big guy, you got a place to sit down. A shower sitting down. That sounds like, man, that actually sounds like a great idea. I just thought of that. I may never stand up. I may just put a lawn chair in my shower at home and just never stand up to shower again. But there you go. That's how big that is. What do they call this? Like a tri-slide, maybe? Mm-hmm. Shut it up. Gives you a little more space to get in and out of the shower. Nice big sink and your medicine cabinet. So there you go.
Plenty of space to get ready in there.
Yep.
Nice size for a camper of this size.
Sliding door here to save a little bit of room.
Again, you've got outlets on both sides. USB over here. Those that might need a CPAP, they give you a nice little shelf there for you to be able to put that on. Great place for some storage in here, and clothes on either side.
A little closet here.
And then nice and deep too. Sometimes in these campers they're a little shallow. This one's got a great deep one. Be able to store quite a bit of clothes, whatever you need in here.
There are times when, like you said, sometimes they're a little shallow where they have the hanging rack there, but it's so shallow you're like, I couldn't hang anything in here. What's that rack for? It's nice.
If it's anything like my wife and my clothes would be thrown on the floor on the bottom, so she can hang hers up there.
Yep, absolutely. And of course, there's the door to the great outdoors. All right, so there you go. That's the Cherokee Limited, right? Is that what this is? Yeah, Cherokee Limited. I had to remember what we just walked into. It is nice. Oh, again, I'll just show this. I know we mentioned it out there, but here's that full-length window with. I like the blinds. Let's see if I've never done this, so let's see if I can get this right. Oh, that's stinking cool. Oh, I can just sit here and do that all day. But I guess that also lets you decide like how much light you have coming in.
Yep. So great, and it especially works great in the living room there if you're watching a movie.
Right.
Maybe want a little bit of light, but not get completely brighted out by the sun.
Oh, that's
really
awesome.
gives you a nice adjustment there.
Very cool. But then you have it up and look at that big old window. Yeah, this is a cool RV. if you want to get yourself one of these, or you at least want to get the ball rolling, if you want to talk to somebody, get hold of the guys at RV Wholesalers. They would love to talk to you about the next RV, your next RV, and we'll get you out in exploring the country. How's that sound?